shadow balloon. There you go, right there. Okay. Oh yeah, that game that just came out. Okay. 24, we are here at SM Mall of Asia, and there is a SEGA something. SEGA Sonic Shadow Generations, yeah. Promotion for the new movie, which is coming out in it's coming out on January 15th. Is December 7, 2024. We are here at SM Mall of Asia, and there is a SEGA something. SEGA setup in the middle. So yeah, it looks like a tournament for Sonic something. Yeah. Very cancerous fan base, but it's a SEGA thing, and I see two kids in front dressed up as Mario and Luigi. That's just hilarious. Okay. We'll go down and check it out in a while. And it's gonna Shukuchi over to SMX and take a look at what's over there, and then come back here and get some footage. Okay, so we are here at the SEGA Atlus event in Mall of Asia, and yeah, some people. Okay, I don't know. I'm showing some trailers. Okay, they have play some games over here. That game that just came out. Okay. Sonic Shadow Generations, yeah. It just came out na pala. So it's a free play thing. Yeah, there are PS5s. There are PS5s right here. Why do we get copies for the background audio? Oh, there's this really big shadow balloon. There you go, right there. Okay. It's there. It's a balloon. Okay. It's a balloon. Alright. Okay, SEGA. Okay, and then let's check what the other side is. Sonic Rumble. They're playing on their phones, I guess. It's a not sure if mobile. Those phones, I think those are phones. So it's a mobile thing. We'll check it out in a while. Apparently there's a line. Colorful stage. Okay. Now, go back in. Check what's up. Okay, so people are sitting around. And promotion for the new movie, which is coming out in it's coming out on January 15th, at least in the Philippines, because in the Philippines usually Christmas Day and onwards up until January 6 or 12 is reserved for local films. We have local film festival over here, so any new releases, foreign releases, usually just release in January or early. Come back after. I'm gonna get copy struck for this. Yeah, it came out. Okay, so that's that.
And you guys just saw the official trailer of Metaphor Montage. And speaking of Metaphor Montage, I am actually cosplaying one of the
So they're showing off a bunch of games on the other side. Apparently there's a line to go in. We'll just take a look from the other side and take a look what the games are. Okay, let's go around to the outside.
Because you've been here and you know
Take a look at what the games are.
Sonic
Sonic trailer. Okay, so mobile. How does this game go? It's a news dash type thing game. Whatever router thing over here. Okay, what's song selection? Let's take a look. Okay. There's a separate line for the left side and the right side. The left side has this line over here. Okay. It's rhythm. Okay, yeah, first stage. Okay. And this is the full game over here. So Sonic Rumble is a mobile game, apparently. Get it into Google Play or on the App Store. Okay. Then what's back here? Pirate Yakuza in Hawaii. Like a dragon. Okay. Sure. There's games. Some people are playing in front. What are they using to play on? Those look like PS5s. There's PS5s in front. Okay. Let's take a look closer. Okay, let's take a closer look.
Ina starting, we're getting into the Coliseum, and
Peeps are also playing stuff over here. No, that's just the. Nah, they playing? Nope, that's just the command center. Okay, that's about it, I think. We'll be on top, getting a nice view. Yeah, this game already came out. I don't know what percentage Filipinos are PlayStation 5.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat, out.